RNS 510 Wireless CarPlay module. How did you put it on the car? This is the entire RNS 510 Wireless CarPlay module. First, we remove the main engine from the car. Get it on the platform. Then remove this screw first. There is only one screw to remove. Take off the top cover and peel it off. After taking away, to dismantle the movement here is locked with 4 screws. And there are also 2 here. These are all screws with inner 6 corners. Just take it apart. Then take out the movement. Be careful when you take out the movement. There is a cable at the bottom. If you get this position, the cable will be connected. Then unplug that. Put the movement to the side. You can also see the module here. Change this to the main engine of the original car, which has not been moved. We match 2 copper pillars. Lock it to the original car. Just lock it with a screwdriver. We need to raise it. We've installed these 2 copper pillars, see? Add small plates after twisting the 2 copper columns on the left and right sides. If you add a small board, remove the cable first. Original car cable. Unplug the cable on the right. The button on the right. Unplug the cable. Unplug the video cable here. This is the cable of the SD card, and it is also unplugged. It's going to be built, so it's going to be unplugged. If you install it for the first time, just pull it out carefully. Our cable. First card the cable to the original car. Just align this and see it. Kapinka in place. This cable. The card is in place, just press it. If this buckle is pressed, it will be tied. He tied, he didn't press to the bottom. Just tie. After the card is stuck, you can see if it is flat. Because you don't have a card, if it is flat, it will not contact well. Just flatten the card. Then the small board. Unplug the cable of the original car first. Go through the wire board. That little board goes through here. Our screws and screw positions for the small plate are done well. Lock it. This small board is driven according to the structure of the original car. Specially open a small board. Just lock the small plate with 2 screws. Then transfer the cable over. We connect the cable to this interface. This connects to the cable of the original car. This soft cable is stuck back first. This cable is for button data. This soft cable is red. It's native keystroke data. The original car SD card cable is restored and plugged back into the original car interface. Then this video cable. Plug it into our interface. Plug it under us. Do you see this interface? Position flattening. It can be swung flat. Just press down again. The card of the original car is here. Do you see it? The original car is stuck at this location. Our card to this location. This little board is fixed. This floppy cable. We match a flexible cable. Replace the cable of the original car. We stepped on the original car. Key data to switch. We will replace this button data of the original car. Bring this button data to our board. Bring this button data to our board. Replace it. We match this cable. Replace the one on its right. On the right. Then buckle it onto our board. These are all one-to-one open films. Just buckle them on. Check if this interface is in place. Contact. Is there any contact flat? After checking, take our video cable. Video cable. The small board is connected to our host again. This video line. Plug it here to see if there is a direction in this direction. The copper wire is facing up and plugged in. If this is inserted upside down, there will be no response at all. If you plug it upside down, we can't cut it. This line comes out this exit. Come out of this mouth. And this movement. Here, maybe this lid is a little blocked. Look at the lid, you can pry it here. Pry the lid a little to leave some room. Just don't break the wire. Then put the movement on. The original car shows that there is no problem with the control. Plug my module in. We plug this video cable into the module. Out interface. This power cord is directly transferred behind the main engine. Transfer behind the power cord host. Pull back a little and see clearly. Plug it in soon. So plugged in, it will be powered soon. The original car shows normal. Turn that soft cable just now. 1660 for password. The purpose is to switch using this button data. Cut over in 3 seconds. This is our interface. Pretty simple. Is there an iPhone in here? Get an iPhone and connect it. Set. Bluetooth. First put the paired device. Delete, if any, delete first. Search if not. The RNS 510 function depends on this button. 3 buttons. And here are the left and right arrows. This is RNS 510. Speaking of, yes, you see there is a prompt on the mobile phone. Pairing. Allow. This is wireless connectivity. This is the first time even. Slow down for the first meeting. What about after connecting? It will next time and it will automatically grab the data. Get in the car and it will automatically connect. Allow. It first pairs through Bluetooth. After pairing, it will grab the Wi-Fi data. Once connected, the blue label will light up. Look, there's a blue connector. This is the Wireless CarPlay interface. There is no problem with the control fluency. Google Maps Auto Navi Maps can be used. Volkswagen. This button toggles the function. Press and hold the setting button for 3 seconds.
Then press and hold for 3 seconds to cut Italiano.
We have a 20-page upgrade guide available for your car. If you're interested, please feel free to contact us.